So I have a Fleischmann railroad set. It's been in the family since 1958. Um, there's about 80 feet of track, give or take. And when it comes time to cleaning it, I was looking at different ways to do that. And I did see the CMX track cleaning car in the HO size. This car weighs about a pound, which means that I'd have to buy a locomotive to pull it. The trouble is that there's two problems. One is that the size of the locomotive I would need to run on to pull that car, I would need a newer locomotive. And the trouble is with the newer locomotives is that they're not going to run on this 14-inch radius track. They need 18-inch or bigger, like 22-inch, to negotiate the curves. So otherwise they derail. Um, the other problem with the the CMX cleaner car is that it costs $225 US, and when you add in the exchange to Canada and the shipping and the tax, I'd be looking at about $380 for that one car. So I just thought that was a little bit too much coin for what I needed. So I had an idea to create a CMX style cleaning car from copper pipe. So I thought what I would do is drill a couple holes in the pipe and then put a needle valve inside the pipe and join it back together. Uh, and then on further reflection, it might be a task to join this back together and make it strong and make it look good. So I thought maybe there's an easier way to do that. So on my second attempt, I drilled a couple holes in the pipe, and my idea was to file down the needle valve to get it small and to put it in the hole like that. And but then I thought that might be a lot of filing. And on this attempt, my holes were too large anyway. So I tried a third time, and I came up with this uh, version. And so I put the needle valve outside on the end this time, and this can adjust the flow rate as desired. And the fill port is here. So the mineral spirits can go in here, the flow down through the needle valve and out through the bottom of the car onto a rag down below. So that's the current direction that we're going. This has not been soldered yet, but I will solder it together, and that should work just fine. So the next task is to rig some kind of a rag, a place where a rag can be placed down here so it can rub on the rails. So that's the current plan.